Rolls-Royce Motor Cars presents the next chapter of its boat tail coach built commission, one of just 3 that have been, and ever will be made. Boat tail is entirely hand-built, with the body panels fashioned from vast, single sheets of aluminium to create the distinctive outline inspired by the racing yachts of the early 20th century. The contrasting cognac-colored bonnet, created specifically for this boat tail, contains fine bronze and gold-colored aluminium mica flakes complete with a layer of crystal and ice matte clear coat, adding significant warmth and depth to the car's appearance. The technical fiber lower sills of boat tail incorporate a rose gold woven thread. The rear deck, which houses boat tail's unique butterfly design hosting suite, is swathed in royal walnut veneer, inlaid with rose gold plated pinstripes with a satin brushed finish to ensure a sensitive and sophisticated appearance. From the front, the Pantheon grille, milled from a single, solid billet of aluminium, is graced with a spirit of ecstasy fashioned in rose gold. The interior is a beautifully curated combination of perfectly matched cognac and oyster-colored leathers and royal walnut veneer, with rose gold and mother-of-pearl accents throughout. The leathers, complete with a pearlescent finish, accentuate the surfaces and forms of boat tail seats and interior design,